So hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince here, your trading friend. So friends, as I told in last video, I'm going to touch upon the topic of auto trading, one of my favorite these days. I am fully immersed into auto trading these days. Nothing but the you would have seen regularly everyone talking about algo. What is this algo all about? What is this auto trading all about? So in today's video, I'll be touching upon this topic. I'll show you a few options which are available for us for doing algo trading. What are the easy methods which we can follow? And as I told you, being a channel for the working professionals, if at all we are not using, or if I'm not teaching about auto trading, then it's really a shame on my channel, because this is best suited for working people. Initially when I was working, I had always dreamt that what to do, how could I trade such beautiful strategies. There are many strategies which require regular screen monitoring and all those things. What could be done, or what are the solutions? I used to think of many things like that during those days, but then nobody was there to teach about this. But friends, let me tell you, if at all doing this auto trading or algo trading, you don't have to sit in front of the screen, and you can do any complex strategies, any full-time trader strategies, any kind of thing. You can do it. It's very easy and convenient. There are many options available, friends. Okay, so people, those who already know about auto trading and algo trading, can skip this video. I'm basically giving only an intro. There's no much details about the coding and all those things. I'm just showing the different platforms, advantages, disadvantages, and what are the options you have to kickstart doing algo trading from day one. That is, from tomorrow itself or now itself, we can start doing algo trading. So such simple things I'll be showing in today's video. So stay tuned till end of the video. And people, those who need additional supports and who want to register for the workshops, you can always get in touch with my backend team. The number is 8095876525, and my support team will assist you with all the algos, or with the strategies or workshops and all those things. Okay, friends. So, the future of trading in India. Yes, you guessed it right. Okay, though this image is very contrast, or I can't say it is very exaggerated. I just found this on web, and it was really very suiting to the concept I'm trying to explain to you. Even if you are a working professional, even if you don't have too much of time to spend in front of the screen, you can do complex strategies. You have the potential to do complex strategies. That's what it means by this image. You can unleash your potential. Okay, you being a trader, you'll be having lots of ideas, logics, many things, and all those things you can do. You can trade it by by doing algo trading or automatic trading. So there are many names for that: algo trading, automatic trading, etc. It all means the same. But you have to understand one thing: this is the future of trading in India. In the Western countries, almost 50 to 70% have almost converted into algo trading. All big companies, trading companies which were using people for trading, are all using this algo trading now. So in India also, this is going to be the future. So it is high time you start knowing about it, start using it, and make use of it. Yes. So before just showing you what are the methods, different options available, I would like to show you the first just the advantages. So as I told you, it is best suited for working professionals. So in case if you're working, you can blindly install the softwares and then just code your software, or you can hire some engineer and code the software, and then you can run it on it, and that is best for working people. One more best part is it's best for mechanical traders and system traders. So system traders, what happens is, like, you have a very clear cut rules of entry exit. If at all you would have seen my channel, Angel Trading Friend, and this is my videos. Almost all my strategies which I have given here, which I have explained here, are all mechanical strategies, are all systematic trading. So for these kind of strategies, algo trading is very suitable. Okay. And one more best part which I liked about algo trading, the advantage is that you can trade emotional without emotions. That is nothing but emotionless trading. Yeah. So what happens is, whenever we take a trade, and then we get the, trading is a game of emotions. There's a lot of greed coming in, fear coming in. So when you see profits, you feel like booking it. When you see losses, you feel like closing it, or you feel like waiting for some more time. So all these things, emotions, come into play once you start trading. So if at all you're doing this algo trading, your emotions can be kept away. That is one among the best part about algo trading. Yeah. But saying that, there is some disadvantages as well. it is complex. It's not so easy. Don't think like it's like writing, just opening your app and just pressing the buy and sell. It's not so easy like that. It's a little complex. So in India, it will take little more time to refine it fully and make it very very easy. It will take little more time. So you have to understand the concepts thoroughly before doing it. Also, I will be teaching you one simple technique how to make it very simple and trade as well. Even if you don't know any coding language, if you don't know anything, also you can use it. I'll show you one simple technique. Then also it's very very expensive as of now. By expensive, what I mean is that people those who are trading for 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, all, it won't suit for you, because you have to spend for the data feed and for hiring engineer or etc etc kind of thing. So that is one more part, that is it's very expensive now. So going forward, more and more people, more and more companies starting it and all this thing, what happens is that it will become very very cheap. So then this also you have to keep in mind. Okay friends, so let me just show you few methods which are available. But these days I am fully into, as I told you, I have registered for all these courses. I am learning Python as well. So this is the Python platform where you have to code your strategies like this. Okay, this is a simple language, still I'm studying Python. But what happens is, like, these kind of codes, after you make, you can also feed all this data, open time, high time, close time, and all those things. And then yeah, okay, so you just have to do all these kind of codings. Some error is coming. Okay, I have to reinstall the app. Fine. Okay, so this is the panda which is there. So I would have heard about this panda, Python, and all those things. So this is just to give you an idea. So you have to do all these kinds of coding others if at all you want to do trading using Python. So Python is almost the favorite these days. It's a software language, so it's very easy for learning as well. And then you'll get many engineers, freelancers who will code it for you. So if at all you have a strategy, you just have to get in touch with the software engineer. What he will do is he will just code this and give to you, and then you just have to install the software, Python launcher, and then get your API, and then automate it with your trading website, trading broker, whoever it is, Kite, I mean Zerodha or Upstock and all those things. Yeah, but the worst part is, either you have to learn. Now that I am free, I am learning this coding language, but it doesn't mean that you have to learn. You can hire somebody. Okay. One more option is, one among the best for trading people is, you would have heard this name, AmiBroker. Yes, it's visually very very representing. You can I'll just show you the code. Just have to go and give edit formula. Okay, so this also has got like this lot of coding in the background. So it looks very very complex. You might have to do all this. You don't have to learn all this. You can, again, as I told you, you can hire somebody, pay some money, they will code this and give you. And then what you have to do is, uh, you just have to press the explore button. I'll just show you. File, open. So any of the strategies you want, you just have to hit and give the explore button, and it will keep running in the background. Okay, so this is as easy as that. AmiBroker also. And what you have to do is, after you on the system and then leave, there is nothing which you have to do. The system will keep trading on the background. You don't have to do anything. It will be very very useful for working people. And you just have to, once in a while, just have to look into your system if everything is going fine. As of now, mobile platforms are not come. You might have to have your computer with you. But best part is, you don't have to be in front of the screen full time. Yeah. So let me just, yeah, okay. Now these all had a problem, that is nothing but you need to know the language, you need to have coding knowledge, or you have to hire somebody and all this thing. No, but what said, I told you in the starting that I'll make you trade from day one itself. So if you don't want all these kinds of complex thing, there are many many websites available. uh, okay, you can just go and type Google all algo trading in India. Okay, so there are many things. See, uh, TradeTon is one of my favorite. Then AMI Signals is there. Alice Blue also is providing algo trading. There is Cons is there. Then algo Live Mint is there. IntraTrade is there. Square Off is there. It's also very good. There's many other friends. Many many. Okay. So I did my research these days on TradeTrun, and I found it very very useful, very very simple. So I'll just show you how it can be done. Mind you, I am giving you my disclaimer. Do your own research before you start. I am just giving you my suggestion only. So this is my latest strategy which I had uploaded. If at all you would have missed, you can just see it as intraday trading system, a very powerful strategy on Bank Nifty. Okay, as of now I'm not playing it. Okay, so why I opened this video is have provided the link for joining TradeRun. Okay, so it is available in the description of this video as well, in case if you want to just try it out. Okay, just click on the link. Okay, so this is the website. It's TradeRun. It is user friendly algo trading. I'll show you how easy it is to be done. You what you have to do is just have to go, and in case if you're starting new, just go, you sign up. Otherwise just sign. Since I've already signed up, I'm just signing in, and I'll show you how easy it is. Okay, you can create your own strategies. Even if you don't know any programming language, it is very easy. You just have to give entry conditions, you have to give your exit conditions. That's it, nothing else. Very simple. They have many YouTube videos to show you how to do it. Okay, just have to give add and then just put your condition, what you want. You want the lot size, you want the volume, etc. Instrument name, what is that you want. You can give futures. Okay, so it's very user friendly. What happened in this was, you can see here, you have to do all these kinds of codings here, doing the print type series, etc. Booleans is there, print text is there. This is very complex, friends. You have to do all the coding in the background. But what happens in TradeRun, when you come, you don't have to do all those things. It is ready-made, and they're given a very good user interface for you. You just have to select whatever you want. Yeah, it's very easy, very easy. Simple. And one more best part is, you just have to come to strategies. You can either create or you can deploy your strategies, or you can use something called as marketplace. Now what is this marketplace? So many people have given their strategies, they have given their option strategies. You can subscribe to it, okay, by paying. See, you can see here it is monthly free, is almost free here. You can have to subscribe, and then you can start trading. But please go through, look into the ratings, how it is, see what's the drawdown it is having. So this particular strategy called as option scalper, he is given the description. I'm just showing you. Please do your research. I'm telling you once again, this is something which I felt very comfortable. I'm sharing it with you. So he says that the intraday square off at 3:05 p.m. Capital required is 55,000. Average trade is 3 lots per day. Win ratio is 70%. And he's also given the backtest details about the strategy. Everything is given. So there are many subscribers already who have taken it. This is the statistics, how the equity curve has gone. So this is the performance, how it has been, how this is the returns, how it has given. And also go through these feedbacks. You can see the feedbacks people have given about it. Okay, so this is also one more best platform for using. I felt very useful for working people. If at all you have to do your trading strategies, that is algo trading. Yeah, so some people will charge a monthly fee of around 1,000 rupees to 1,000 rupees. Others, what they do is, if you're making any loss, you don't have to pay anything to them. Whatever profits you're making, whenever you make profits, out of that 10% of that profit only you have to give them. So it will be like a monthly billing. You just have to subscribe and then just leave it. See, this person also is giving it for free. This person also is free. He's charging only 5% of the profits. This person is charging 500 rupees. This person is charging completely free. But go through the details. You can see it is ROI is 70% and is giving free. You can, and also having a drawdown of only 7.95. The rating is also 31. It's very good. So friends, it's a very good platform. Go through it. I really liked it, and I am almost using it regularly these days. It is useful for automating your trading. My YouTube videos also, which I'm having strategies, which I'm having almost, I have trying to code it into this, and also trying to do it automatically, so that I don't have to trade everything manually. I'm trying in this as well. So after doing all the research, I also researched into many websites. You can see there are many algo trading websites in India. I felt TradeRun is very good, and also it's very safe. You don't have to give your money anything into this, put in it will be, money will be with your broker itself, in your trading account itself. You just have to subscribe here and then put your credentials, that is a login ID and all those things. What happens is that automatically trade keeps happening. Okay, so as I told you, disclaimer, please do your own research before entering into this. I felt this is very, very comfortable. So the disadvantage which we had, that trading is very, very complex and very, very expensive, has got rid by doing these two, by using this TradeDone website. Okay, so choices are open. I showed you all the three platforms which I am doing now. Either you learn Python, you can code yourself, or you can hire an engineer and then do your coding, your own strategy. Or otherwise, you can use AmiBroker. You can code your own strategy. You can use AmiBroker. It's very powerful trading platform. Or best and the easiest method, in case if you don't want to learn coding, or if you don't have too much of time to break your head for coding and all those things, best platform is TradeRun. There are many other platforms, you can check it for yourself, but this I felt is very good. I'm using for almost 1 year. The best part is they have got even backtest as well. So even in case if you have any strategies, you can do your backtest. You can do a paper trade as well. Okay, they have got many platforms. The okay, so this it is not there. Basically, what you can do is you can do, yeah, you can do your backtest as well. You can deploy your own strategies. You can create your own strategies. You can go to marketplace and take other strategies. You can do paper trade as well and observe for 1 month. So many facilities are available. Just go through and let me know. The link for joining the TradeRun is available in the description of the video. Make use of it, and then you can get into this TradeRun. Okay, friends, any other doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp on my number. So hope today I was able to give you a small tickle about auto trading. I've just given you a small pinch only. There is lot and lot of thing about auto trading which you all have to know. Slowly by slowly we'll get into it. In fact, one of my close friends who is associated with me now is already starting his own website. So that also I'll be informing you very soon. So all my strategies which I am uploading on YouTube, he has done algo for all that, and he's providing a platform, trading platform, which you can use. So that also we'll be announcing it very soon. This is the future, friends. You don't have to quit your job. You don't have to worry too much. You can do any job and then do your trading as well, like a full-time trader. Yes. So once again, thanking you, and all the best for your algo trading. Thank you and have a nice day.